I'm here at the booth of Linkster, one of our partners. I'm here with Thomas, and he's going to give me a quick rundown of the machine. So Thomas, what's new? What are you excited about?
Hi Nicholas, yeah, we're very excited actually. We just released a couple of new things at this edition of Formnext. We introduced an upgraded version of our legacy 3D printer, the S600D, which is known for being the most versatile machine on the market, being able to print basically everything from filament to paste and specifically silicone. It's got a couple of upgrades in terms of precision, speed, you know, being robust and being able to carry even more tool head and even more accessories to make it even more versatile. So it's basically like a plus upgrade, and we're now in version 1.2.
Very cool.
Next to that,
yeah, I see something else that's new.
Yeah, that's our little baby. That's the new one, the S300X. It's basically the little sister of the S600D. It's a machine that inherited from all of the experience we've developed with the S600D, and specifically on silicon additive manufacturing.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So we integrated a two-component liquid dispensing tool head and a one-component liquid dispensing tool head. It allows us to provide the user with a seamless experience printing silicone and printing polyurethane by taking the most out of water-soluble materials, meaning that it's now possible to print superstructure for silicon parts and being able to print whatever shape you want.
Finally, because I feel like even with silicon you often have shapes that you need support. It's amazing to have it all in one machine now.
Yeah, thermoset is very challenging. I mean, it's a complete know-how that we've developed over the course of 6 years now, and that was the last brick remaining. So this machine has a more compact form factor. The idea is to spread the technology as quickly as possible, and we've opened the pre-orders this week, and launch price is at 19K, 19K. 19K, so it's a limited offer until the end of the year, and then we're gonna have to make like a lot of them. So
nice. Yeah, so very excited. Thank you, Thomas.
Thank you.
Have a nice rest of Formnext.
Thank you, Nicholas.
Hi Tim, nice meeting you again.
Hey Nicholas, nice to meet you.
Booth, and I see something new. I think I spotted it. Maybe you can talk something about the. I think it's the 310.
It's the all new FunMate Pro 310.
What's new about it?
Everything. Yeah, and some people think it's the new product to replace the FunMate HD, but this is wrong, because the FunMate Pro 310 is a printer specialized on printing engineering plastics.
Oh, okay.
Yeah? You know how we do it? Because we can do it great because we have a 100-degree C heated chamber, and we can print therefore all engineering plastics from ABS, ASA, PA6, PA6CF, PA12CF, PC, whatever you want to print.
Whatever I can think of. Nice. And so the goal is no more warping with ABS. Stuff I know maybe on my open printer. This is the kind of customers you're aiming for.
Right. What we see is like there are many printers in the market. Many people have printed PLA, PETG, and they look for something more advanced. They want to go a bit higher without going into high temp, and this is the solution for it. It's still desktop, but it's more industrial than any other desktop printer ever.
Very interesting. But I know you not originally from normal materials, but from the big one, the high temp materials. Maybe we can briefly talk about the 610 as well. I think it's still a new machine, not a new machine, but still an exciting machine for everyone who wants to print high temp materials. Large materials. Want to go over there and check it out?
Yeah, let's go.
So, what are the customers that are excited about this machine? What are you looking for there?
You know what's interesting? So many. Yeah, what we see here, because we showed the 610 now the third time on the Formnext. We showed 3 years ago the first time, and we still get so many people and saying, wow, it's an open material machine with high temp. We can do all temp, we can do peak, we can do all the plastics, the high performance polymers, and they're really excited about it. And then we share our philosophy with open material system, and how we act with customers and partners, and they really like this machine.
Nice, and it really looks like it is an industrial machine, right?
It's 1.4 tons.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I saw machines with the same specification, but just with half of the weight, and I asked myself, where do they save all the weight? You know, What can they? What can you get for your money?
You mean if you really want to print high temp materials at this size, you need a machine like this, right?
Yeah, because what you see, there's now 220 degree inside, but if you touch the door, it's still not more than hand warm, you know, because everything is made for very high temp, up to 300 degree chamber temperature.
Very nice, Tim. Thank you very much for your time.
Thanks for passing by.
And I'm very interested, especially in the new one, of course, but this is going to be an all-star as well.
Glad to get your feedback. Thank you very much.
Great. Hey Sebastian, nice to meet you. Nice to be on your booth, and just from my first experience, this thing is huge. So can I just print PLA with it, or is it something that, like also for technical materials? I see the name Pro. It hints to me this is not just a toy, you know?
Absolutely not. Thank you, Nicholas, for being here and for supporting us that much on the fair. Absolutely, we have our Pro on our booth. So this is really the high-end industrial machine from Big Rep. So it can cover much more than only a PLA. So we are first of all presenting here our high performance materials. For example, a high temp CF, or our biggest news on the Formnext this year is PA12 CF.
Nice, that's what I wanted to hear. What is printing right now? Do you know this?
Yes, right now we do
like
have a stool which is printed. So you can see it next to us on the side. There are some printed stools. Here.
Over there, okay.
Yes, exactly. And right now this is printing, I believe, since yesterday. So we have started to print, we have finalized a few ones. Hopefully at the end of this day it will be finalized.
Nice. But big prints, big print times, I can imagine. So what was your experience on the trade fair? A lot of interest for big printers as well?
Yes, for sure. Definitely. So it was a great show so far. We really enjoyed that IGO supported us as well, because we haven't had the chance to put all the stuff on our booth itself. And
we had some space left, right?
Exactly.
Because for big printers you need a lot of space, I can imagine. Well, thank you for your time, and have a nice rest of the trade fair, and see you again. Nice to see you.
Bye. Thanks.